Oh, looks good actually. Hello my dream team. Today is another day. We're here together again with another food, another easy recipe. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. And thank you for sharing our videos and giving your thoughts and comments. Thank you, I really appreciate it. It's another Sunday today. And I'm here with my baby here. My baby, Kiki. She's my daughter. She has some attitude sometimes, but overall I love her. She's my baby. So today we're going to cook another type of food, which is like a very easy, very simple, just 2 ingredients actually. Three ingredients, so easy, pretty quick. So without further ado, let's go here. Okay, today is a low carb chicken nuggets. We all love chicken nuggets and we know that it's a high carb. So I came up with a different idea how to make it like a very low carb. And let's try it, see how it tastes. Okay, the first ingredients, small onion, chicken fillet, garlic, and 3 eggs. Also, I do have almond flour. These are all ingredients. And then I'm going for spices. Ginger powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, turmeric, black pepper, salt, and one new thing I found it on Indian market. It's called Kashmiri pepper, and I found it is not as spicy as you think, but gives like a good flavor to the food. And is like good taste actually, and good color to the food actually. Is kind of in like a family of like paprika, so I'm using this as well. Okay, I'm mixing the items that I have in the food processor, like onion first. I put my garlics actually, and I'm going for the chicken. 1, 2. Okay, this is my whole ingredient for it. And now it's time. I'll add the spices as well to it together because I mix it together. So first, my eggs. I'm putting like 3 eggs here. 1. And 2 and 3. Then I'm going for the spices. So I have my measurement. So the spices that I'm going to use is like I'm making like half and half. I put half of the spices here, and I hold the half of the other half of the spices. I hold it for almond flour. I put it in the almond flour. So first I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I use half a teaspoon of Kashmiri pepper. As your preference, I put black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so we're done with the spices for this part, and let's mix it. 1, 2, 3. Well mixed. So I put it in the separate pot here. Hold it right now, and I'm going for almond flour. Okay, I have my almond flour. I'm going to put, I'm doing it like eyes checking. I have like, yeah, that's good enough. 1 cup of almond flour. I'm going to do the same thing with the spices. I have my ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon, and cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, and paprika, 1/4 teaspoon, black pepper as your preference, turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon, Kashmiri pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. The last thing is salt, 1/2 teaspoon. Mix them together with the almond flour. I make sure it's nice and even everywhere. I go for my chicken nugget ingredients. So I take 1 tablespoon of chicken nugget. I put it here. I'll make sure that it's nice and even everywhere. I put the flour everywhere of this chicken piece. Okay, then I'm putting in the separate plate. Then the next one. Can make it like a good shape, you know. Make it exactly like a nugget shape. Also, you can put it, make it more and put it in a freezer. Whenever you want it, you can take it and fry it. It's going to be more firm as well when you're freezing it. Okay, good to go. Let's go to cook it. Turn on the oven and I put it to the high heat. First, I put it in high heat. And then I'm not going to deep frying it, so I put it like a little oil. Okay, and I'm waiting for oil to get hot, and then I turn it down and I make it to medium. Oil is hot enough, I turn it to medium, and I start to frying them. Okay, it's ready. So our chicken nuggets is ready. I can't wait to test it and tell you how the taste is look like. I put the mayo on it and a little bit of sriracha. Okay, let's see how the taste look like. Oh, looks good actually. Okay, I'm trying it. This thing is pretty dope. I love it. I love the texture. I love the flavor. Everything is good together. It's better than nuggets outside. Better than high carb nuggets. It's way better. I promise you. I loved it. Awesome. I hope you make it at home again and try it and see what I'm talking about. And again, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing our channel. Thank you for all of my friends all around the world. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And just remember, I'll see you next Sunday, and at the very end, Ketology is on fire. See you.